Having an elevator is such a luxury in New York City.
Girls' closet, guys' closet.
Hello you guys, welcome back to our channel. If you guys are new, my name is Joy and I live in New York City and I make videos about moving to New York and money tips. So if you're interested, then definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when new videos come out. Today's video, we are actually going to go to my friend's apartment and I'm gonna give you guys a tour of what a 2-bedroom looks like in the West Village. So we're about to go check it out. So we're gonna go over there right now. So this is a co-op building in the West Village. It is a doorman building and it has an elevator, which is very rare. In the West Village, there's only like a couple of doorman buildings. So this is really nice and it kind of has like some pre-war vibes going on. The doorman's really sweet. He's grabbing the keys so we can go in. Also, there's like a bunch of air cleaners going on here, which I think is really nice.
Yeah.
Thank you. We're on the second floor. Welcome to your home. Okay. Wow, it is warm in here. All right, so I'm gonna take off my mask because we are inside. But you can see like the West Village. I love the West Village because there's like these little like cute little things like as if it's like from the Titanic era. How cool. When you walk in and the heater's on. Right over here you have your desk set up. Work from home. I guess they've already been working from home for a while. And right over here there's like a little mini fridge situation to celebrate those lawyer wins. And say hi to YouTube over here. Hi, subscribe to this channel. Then right over here, you guys have this like little foyer area. This is actually a really great space for like a couple, which is who lives here. So one thing about New York City is if you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend or a partner, it's really nice to split the rent because then you get a better deal and you have more space to put things like alcohol. Right over here, you have the kitchen. So let's go into the kitchen. This is pretty standard for a West Village apartment. This is actually pretty big. And a lot of places in New York are gonna have like this really long hallway that you walk in, but you got stainless steel appliances. Is that more alcohol? I don't know. Oh, that's a fridge. That's the fridge. Oh, dang. This is the fridge, you guys. Okay, so then I'm assuming this is the freezer down here. And you got the trash can, got a microwave, a lot of cabinet space that has been updated, and then even a washer, which is really rare. I really love this deep sink. I'm all about deep sinks, you guys. So that looks like it's pretty deep. And then great thing is that the stove right over here is right next to the window so you can air it out. And then you have like this nice little courtyard vibe. Now, you can also call people in through here. Hi, please subscribe to my channel. They said yes. All right, so now let's look at this section over here. I don't know what it is. Oh, wow, shoe space. Okay, so over here you got like closet space, all those Manolo Blahniks, because, you know, we are just living the dream in New York. And Louboutins. This is actually really big, and someone could actually live in here, you know, like back in pre-COVID times. Okay. We even got another mirror situation over here. All right, and then right over here when you enter, there's also Craig's closet. Wow. So you got girls closet, guys closet, and looks like Craig got most of his stuff brought to the COVID house that you guys have been at. No mirrored over here, but you could definitely put one if you wanted to. So I really love how there's a guys and girls closet. That is actually great. There's also these light fixtures up here. Now, let's go to the living area. Okay, so right when you walk into the living area, this is actually huge. There's even this nice little like chandelier setup. Wow. Guys, this is such a big living room. Oh my God, Becca, can I move here? So we got this big couch. I really feel like the color of this couch really complements this space. So over here and, you know, workout. This is actually really big. And you got your TV over here. You could put another chair over here. The heater's on. So great thing about these apartments is you don't have to pay for heater because this is all central heat. And then when it gets really hot during the winter time, this is your air conditioner vibe. And you got a view of the West Village. So very big space. This is not normal in New York, you guys. So, you know, this is definitely an upgrade from the other places that we've seen. And you got like the dining table over here. Now let's go into the bedroom. You got tons of light. This is facing, I want to say like the east side. And then you got room to put like a giant queen bed. So this is awesome. Then right over here, you have bathroom, bathtub over here, and nice little shower head. Pretty standard for the West Village. Okay, so this is the bathroom situation. I actually really love this little bathroom counter. It's marble and then it has like the pre-war touches over here, but also there's enough space to like pull out stuff on the dryer, and then you can put stuff underneath, and then you have medicine cabinet over here and then areas to put your towels. So enough space to put towels up over here. If this video, you guys are liking this apartment, give it a like and share with your friends so they can see what it'd be like to live a happy married life in the West Village. There's also way more closet space over here, so you can put a ton of clothes. In fact, it's like kind of a walk-in closet at this point. So it has a lot of space for you to add more clothes. Okay, one thing that's really cool about this building is it actually has a public rooftop that you can hang out at. So we're about to go check it out and open up. Imagine having these views in New York City in the heart of the West Village. That's all for today's video,